Hey YouTube, now we're solving the Rubik's Cube. This is what you have. You have this part, you have the edges, and you have the cross. All I need to do is just the edges, the corners. First, you need to find something like if there's a corner on this side, but if it's matched up, then this is what you would do. Turn like if this was like matched up with the same spot, you would go like this, that, this, up, this, that, this, that. You would repeat it 4 times. No, 2 times. Sorry. But since I did it 1 time, if you have nothing to do it 1 time, or if you need to do it like 1 or 2 times. So I have like something like this, so I have to do the algorithm again. Left, up, right, up, left, down, left, wait, right, down, right, wait, right, down. And you would have these corners all matched up. So I could, yeah, alright. First, you would need to do, like, the corner is like this, then you could go like down, left, up, left, down, left, up, left. Don't turn the cube like this, you have to turn it like this, and you can continue. Down, left, up, left, right, down, left, up, right. You turn the cube again. If something's like this, you need to do it like 2 times, like down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down. Well, it's like right here, so it's a good thing actually. So you have to do it 1 more time. Down, left, up, left, down, left, up, right. Now you need to turn the cube again, and you have to do the same thing to this one, but it's already solved, so I'll do it again. Down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right. Now the cube is almost finished. All you have to do is just turn it, and then it's solved. Thank you for watching the Rubik's Cube videos, and Merry Christmas, people.